Hello everyone. During this brief road assessment of Milby Street, we'll examine its current condition and how the current state of Milby Street might affect your drive. Also, we'll attempt to uncover any potential issues that may come to our attention that might cause you concern. And like always, in an effort to keep you as safe as possible, we will explore all facets of Milby Street that may require your attention as you navigate on this road. Currently, Milby Street is in fair condition. What you will see here is that Milby Street is characterized by alligator cracks, potholes, and inadequate road repair patches. These road issues present a pressing concern for drivers. These road conditions can lead to increased vehicle damage, safety hazards, and issues related to stressful driving. Moreover, drivers will experience faded road markings, road discoloration, and road divots that could potentially cause drivers concern. Additionally, the problematic road seams can create an unsafe driving environment for many drivers, while parked automobiles along the side of the road further complicate navigation. And the proximity of ditches to the driving lanes poses a considerable risk for some drivers, especially for those who may be unfamiliar with Milby Street. The skid marks on Milby Street may represent unsafe driving behavior. Therefore, drivers are encouraged to be hypervigilant on Milby Street. At this area of Milby Street, it is particularly bumpy. This may pose challenges for those traveling through this area of Milby Street. In addition to the road conditions, drivers are urged to remain vigilant of the increased presence of commercial vehicles that may unexpectedly enter Milby Street. These vehicles contribute to a heightened risk of accidents. Also, the intersections on Milby Street can become congested during peak rush hour times. Furthermore, drivers should be aware of food vendors operating along this portion of Milby Street. While they provide valuable services to the community, their presence can create additional obstacles for both pedestrians and drivers alike. As you can see here, stopped trains on the tracks crossing over Milby Street can have far-reaching consequences on vehicle traffic. Such delays create bottlenecks that affect not just local commuters, but also the daily lives of those who are traveling on Milby Street at the time of the delay. Many drivers look for alternative routes, and in doing so, could create unsafe driving conditions. Drivers are encouraged to be vigilant and patient during train delays. Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. And if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. This recently paved area of Milby Street looks nice, but requires attention. The absence of appropriate road markings combined with the presence of numerous road humps poses potential challenges for some drivers. These conditions can lead to confusion and safety hazards for some drivers and pedestrians. Additionally, the four-way stops may add to a slowdown in this area, along with the added traffic from nearby apartments and local businesses. Drivers are encouraged to keep an eye out for those exiting their automobiles in this area of Milby Street. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip channel.